Not just Delhi and Maharashtra, Bengal has raised the issue of oxygen cylinders as well. Take a look at the report that is coming in from pole-bound Bengal.
As India continues to grapple with crumbling medical infrastructure amid monster surge in cases, war of words has now erupted between few states and central government over shortage of oxygen supply for COVID patients. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, in a stern letter to Union Minister Piyush Goyal, alleged that the capital's share of oxygen cylinders was being diverted to other states. And not just Delhi, Central and Maharashtra government have also locked horns over alleged shortage of life-saving oxygen. Aghadi government claimed that people are dying in state due to lack of oxygen.
हमें और ऑक्सीजन लगभग 300-400 टन की जरूरत है जो अन्य राज्यों से लाना पड़ेगा। जब लोग मरते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं युद्धजन परिस्थिति बन जाती है, तो पूरी फौजी जो हमारा यंत्रणा है उनका भी इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है ऑक्सीजन लिफ्ट करके पहुंचाने के लिए। तो इन सारी चीजों पे बात करने के लिए मुख्यमंत्री महोदय प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
The minister's remarks come as CM Uddhav dialed PM Modi repeatedly on Saturday for additional supplies. The Maharashtra CM's office claimed that they were told by the PM's team Modi is busy campaigning in Bengal and will call him back. However, the centre has reacted strongly to these allegations.
ऑक्सीजन के लिए भी एक अलग ग्रुप काम कर रहा है। तेजी से सारा देश की समीक्षा भी हो रही है और देश के विविध भाग में सप्लाई चेन को कैसे दुरुस्त करके पहुंचाए और इंपोर्ट भी कैसे करें, उसके लिए भी लगातार सरकार की ओर से विचार विमर्श हो रहा है।
The Modi government's handling of COVID's second wave also drew sharp criticism from Congress chief Sonia Gandhi. During an online meeting of top party leaders on Saturday, Sonia backed states claiming lack of oxygen supply and slammed centre over its mismanagement and unpreparedness.
With Maharashtra being a state which has hit out at the centre, saying the Prime Minister has been not available at the time of crisis, Punjab wants to have its own oxygen supply, being Atmanirbhar. Then there are states like Delhi, which says there is a shortage of ICU beds. Clearly, situation seems really bad for states to demand from the centre. Both states and centre will have to work in tandem to ensure they come out of the situation. Otherwise, it is the patients and their family members who are in the dire need of help. With camera person Sanjeev, this is Kamaljit Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.
As Gujarat continues to struggle with rising COVID cases and shortage of beds, Gujarat Deputy Chief Minister Nitin Patel has made a stunning admission on shortage of resources for COVID fight. Patel, who is also the Health Minister, said that the capacity of beds, hospitals, oxygen and other facilities for treatment is much lower than the required number. Patel has said the dedicated 1,200-bed main hospital in Asavra Civic Campus is now full to its capacity and there is no vacancy there till some beds are vacated by recovered patients. The Health Minister's admission is coming at a time when Gujarat witnessed a surge of 10,000 infections.
કે મેડિસિટીની બધી જ પથારીઓ 1200 પથારીઓ છે એ 1200 પથારીઓ અત્યારે ભરેલી છે। એક પણ દર્દી નવા દાખલ કરી શકાય એવી સ્થિતિ નહોતી, પરંતુ અમે ઝડપ કરી જે પ્રમાણે દર્દીઓનો ધસારો ચાલે છે એની જો હું આપને માહિતી આપું તો આપને ખ્યાલ આવી શકે કે કેટલું ગંભીર પ્રકારનું અત્યારે આરોગ્ય વિભાગની કામગીરી ઉપર બોજો આવ્યો છે। 399 દર્દીઓ 24 કલાકની અંદર આપણે 1200 બેડની કેમ્પસમાં દાખલ કર્યા છે।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.